Hello guys, this is Sharik from School of Spanish, Delhi. Okay, so today we are going to see how we use present perfect in Spanish. So in Spanish, present perfect is called pretérito perfecto. It's pretérito perfecto. Okay, so see the structure we use in pretérito perfecto is sujeto, which is subject, haber is the helping verb, and the main verb, which is like verbo, and the main verb is used replacing ado with ar and ido with er and ir. Okay, so if we have to make the third form of the verb, we use ido in er and ir ending verb and ado in ar ending verb. Okay, pretérito perfecto is mostly used for the done action in any language, such as we use in English that I have eaten the food, or I have written a letter. Okay, or I have worked very hard in the last company. Okay, so we are going to see how we make the sentences using this structure. Okay, here we have an example. Such as we have lived in Spain. We have lived in Spain. It means that it is the done action. We have already lived in Spain. So we are going to see what is sujeto, what is helping verb, and what is main verb, and what is the object in this sentence. So we is our sujeto, the subject. Have is the helping verb. So haber is the helping verb which is used such as we use in English has or have in present perfect tense. So it is a, as, a, amos, habéis, an. For yo it's I, a for tu, it's you, as, el, ella, usted. For third person singular, he, she, and you formal, it's a. For nosotros it's amos, for vosotros it's habéis, and for ellos is they, ellas, ustedes. For all of them it's an. H is always silent in Spanish, so keep it in mind. It's a, as, a, amos, habéis, an. A, as, a, amos, habéis, an. This is the most important part we have to remember in this structure. Okay, so this is the helping verb, and for we as a subject, the helping verb is going to be amos. Okay, it's amos. Nosotros hemos vivido. The verb to live is vivir, and we have to make the third form of the verb. It's lived, the third form, which is the participle. In Spanish it is called participio. Okay, hemos vivido en España. Vivir, we will use ido. It's ido in er or ir ending verb to make the participle of this verb. En España. Nosotros hemos vivido en España. It means we have lived in Spain. We have lived in Spain. Okay, so here we take another example. Okay, well, see, I have taken the sentence that I have spoken Spanish in the class. This is already the done action. That class is over, and I am telling something to some of my known, okay, my friend or my parents, that I have spoken Spanish in a class today. Okay, so we are going to see what is I. I is sujeto. Have is helping verb, and spoken, speak is the verb, and spoken is the third form of the verb. So spoken is the main verb, Spanish, and in the class it's all objetivo. It's all objetivo. Okay. So now we are going to translate it. I is yo, have is a, with I it's a, spoken. So to speak is hablar in Spanish. To speak is hablar, and the spoken third form of the verb is hablado, because it's er ending verb, and in er ending verb we add ado to make the participle of the verb. Okay, so it is hablado, yo he hablado, yo he hablado español en la clase. En la clase is in the class. So this is Spanish, this is in the class, spoken is hablado, and the have is this a, and the sujeto is I. So it is like yo he hablado español en la clase, means I have spoken Spanish in the class. Okay, so this is the structure, the complete structure to make sentences of pretérito perfecto, present perfect in Spanish. Using this structure you can make the perfect level of the sentence, and keep in mind that ado ido makes it's very important to make the sentence. Don't forget that ado comes with ir and er verb, and ado comes with er ending verb, which is mejorar is to better or to improve, or hablar is to speak, and trabajar is to work. Okay, so hope this exercise has helped you a lot to make Spanish sentences in pretérito perfecto. For further inquiries about this concept or any further grammatical structures of Spanish, you can subscribe our School of Spanish.in channel on YouTube, so that you see our more videos on Spanish grammar. Else you can give us a call on 9211850850 for further communication. If you want to join online Spanish classes or offline Spanish classes, School of Spanish is the leading organization which provides one-stop Spanish language solution. Okay, so it is going to help you a lot in any Spanish related need. Okay, so keep watching our YouTube channel and keep watching our videos of School of Spanish. We are going to update you on other stuff of the Spanish grammar. Okay, thank you so much guys.